Yes, hello students. I want to show activity based on the Ohm's law. Here I have to complete a circuit. In the circuit, I need a battery, connecting wire, a key, one-way key. Key will be like this one, an ammeter, and a conductor. This one is the fixed resistance. This one is the fixed resistance. In the back of it, a particular resistance is connected here. It is kept in this box in this way. It means that inside this box there is a particular resistance, or this one is said to be a type of the conductor, right? I have to connect it all these articles according to this circuit, in which a battery is required, an ammeter is required, key is required, a conductor is required, a voltmeter is required, and the other, all these are the connecting wires, right? I have these number of the connecting wires. I will connect it according to the circuit diagram. I will start from this end. This one is the negative terminal of the battery. Then I will connect it with one end of the key. The key is kept to be open. After then I have to connect it with the ammeter. Ammeter is the device which is used to measure the current in the circuit. This device is always connected in series. This device is always connected in series. Then this end of the ammeter, the another end of the ammeter is connected to this conductor, through which I have to pass the electric current. This one is the fixed resistance to which I am giving connections. Right. Now from this device, from this resistance, I have to connect back to positive terminal of this one battery. It means that the current will start from the positive terminal of the battery. When I will press the key, then there will be deflection in the ammeter. Just you can see in this way. Now the circuit is completed. Just when I will press it, then you will find that this ammeter will show a deflection. It means that the circuit has been completed. You can see in this way, from the positive terminal of the battery to this key to this ammeter, then ammeter to this standard resistance 10 ohm device I am using here, and then back to the negative terminal of the battery, right? If you want to find the potential difference across the end of this one conductor, then I will use a voltmeter. This one is a voltmeter. Voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference between the end of the conductor, right? This one is the voltmeter. This voltmeter is to be connected across this end of the conductor, across which I have to find the potential difference. The potential difference is to be measured with the help of this one voltmeter, right? The another end of this one conductor is to be connected across it. Yeah. You will find that the voltmeter is showing some deflection. It means that the potential difference is measured across the end of this one conductor, right? If I will increase the voltage from this one battery, you can see here the voltage which can be applied here 2 volt. इसको हम पहले remove कर लेते हैं. I can apply here 2 volt, I can apply here 4 volt, I can apply here 6 volt, 8 volt, 10 volt and 12 volt. Maximum voltage can be applied up to 12 volt, but I will not use here up to 12 volt. I can use here for the safety purpose only up to 4 volt. 4 volt or 6 volt I can apply here, right? First of all, I am starting from the 2 volt. When the 2 volt potential is applied, you will find that the deflection in the meter is nearby 200 milliampere, which is too much. It means that maximum voltage which can apply here up to 4 volt, and you will find that the needle is out of the scale. So that I can't use here 4 volt. I will use only 2 volt. I have to control the amount of the current in the circuit. So that to control the amount of current in the circuit, I am using the another device. This one device is known as the rheostat. I will connect it in between the series. कहीं भी हम इसको fit कर लेते हैं. Between anywhere it can be connected. I am connecting here between these two ends. I will insert this one resistance, the rheostat. This one rheostat means this one type of the regulator which is used to control the electric current in the circuit. It is used to control the electric current in the circuit. You see here, now it is connected in series. One end is connected to this one point and the another end is connected to the positive terminal of this one battery. Now the circuit is completed. Now I want to keep it on 4 volt and the amount, or I can also give the 6 volt. 2 volt दे दीजिए, 6 volt दे सकता हूँ. I can give the 6 volt. I can also give the 8 volt. 8 volt भी दे दूँ. Then I can control the amount of the current here. यहाँ current की value control कर सकते हैं and it can be controlled with the help of this one rheostat. Right? Now focus on these two scales. Focus on these two scales. Suppose that I am applying 1 volt, 1 volt. 1 volt potential difference is given here. Automatically it is controlled with the help of this rheostat. It is kept at 1 volt. It is kept at 1 volt. The ammeter reading is 110 milliampere. Now you can find the least count of this one ammeter. Least count, it means that for 50 division there are, for 50 division, for the 10 division it is 50 milliampere. It means that the value of 1 division is 1 milliampere. Right? Similarly, you have to find the least count of this one. For 20 division or for 10 division it is representing 0.5 volt. It means that for 1 division it is 0.05 volt. It is clear? Now it is representing here 1 volt. For the 1 volt, the meter reading is 110 milliampere. You will note down this reading. After then, with the help of the rheostat, I am going to change the applied voltage. Now it is at 1.5 volt. Now it is at 1.5 volt. Just see the scale. 1.5 volt. For the 1.5 volt, it is 160 milliampere. Note the another reading. Again, I am increasing this voltage. It is to 2 volt. For the 2 volt, it is 210 milliampere. For the 2.5 volt, it is near to 260 milliampere, and for the 3 volt, it is 300 out of the scale, that is the 310 milliampere. It means that in this activity, what is happening? In this activity, you will find that when the potential difference across the end of the conductor is increased, and this one is kept, the voltmeter is kept parallel to that of this one conductor. On increasing the potential difference across the conductor, then the current which is passing through it, the current which will pass, that will pass through each component in the circuit, the current which will pass through it, that will be directly proportional to the potential difference applied across it. The amount of current which is passing through it, is directly proportional to the potential difference applied. Potential difference applied, that is controlled with the help of these instruments. Alright. On the another way, you can say that the potential difference which is applied across this end of the conductor, the amount of current will be directly proportional to potential difference applied across it. दो